Hey Rick, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to make this video for you. Hopefully it's extremely helpful. The whole point of it is to get you to learn something and to apply it into your business. But I can't wait to get started and just look at what you have going. But yeah, just a little bit of background information. We have worked with a few window tinting companies, so I'm happy to be doing this because we always love working with those. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, Rick, this is just this is gonna be fun. First of all, I usually look at the websites and look at the information, but we don't have that today. So this is a different way of looking at it. Obviously, you go to 5280windowtint.com. It takes you to a random. It's all right. We don't need to look into that. But yeah, super impressed with these ratings. Very, very good. Definitely, we do need to get a website though. That's usually the most important thing. I'll be looking at the Facebook page and the Yelp page because I'm sure that's how you get the majority of your business. But I'm actually very much, you seem to have a very good branding about you. I've never really seen much of this before. So kudos to you. It looks like a lot of people are highly interested in just your whole it looks like you have a personality. Looking at some of these reviews, people do definitely like you. They're saying and mentioning you specifically, so that's pretty cool in my opinion. But yeah, when you go from this website to Yelp, it takes you to that, which is sad. So that means that some people could genuinely want your service or want to recommend your service. They're not going to think straight to themselves, let's go on the Yelp review page. They're going to think to themselves, let's go on the website. Let me go. They're not going to think, let me go on, let me email their friend the address. They're going to try to email their friend a website. And it's going to be very important, especially in 2020 that we're in, to definitely change and get a real proper website. So that's something that definitely needs to be done, and we'd love to genuinely help you with that. That's very important in just for Google in general. It looks like you have a lot of reviews, and you also look like you're highly sought after. So that's something that Google will look at and go, wow, this guy's he is about his stuff. So if we were to build a website, it would definitely mean that you would rank higher automatically because you have the reviews to back it up. But the Facebook page, only thing is you don't post as much. It looks like your last post was in 2013, my bad, 2013, which was 7 years ago. Last time I checked, that 7 years ago is too long, but you're still gaining the business, so that means that people are definitely interested. We've done some client work where we've recorded and edited a professional video where it was of the service, the window tinting service. So that's something that definitely could be done. You need to add the videos. It looks like you have the coolness. You have it. So yeah, it just needs that extra website. It needs the extra stuff done, and just it's important. That's what SEO is about. If you rank higher, you gain more and get more customers, and more customers definitely means you get higher in the rankings, and you do have the customers, just not the website to show for your rankings. So yeah, definitely you do need that. I was looking at your website in general, not much done on it, so I wouldn't even go into how you should go about it. So there's really no website. If you type, we use a tool called Ahrefs. So if you look into this, there's really not much. There's no keywords you're ranking for. So yeah, this is definitely something that we need to fix, but I respect what you've done so far, and especially in just locally. You've definitely, looks like you've gotten clients interested, and you have all the services. Imagine you had a website where it says services offered, and then it listed all of them in a very interactive way. Imagine you were constantly making posts, and that's definitely something that we've worked with. And yeah, I'm very, very happy to just be doing this because this is something so new to me, and I just genuinely excited. Look into what we've done with some of our clients here, but this is what we've done is we've just gotten a lot of these clients like they are cryotherapy. I'm reading the word, but I can't say it. Our cryotherapy we've worked with, we've gotten them higher up in the rankings and improved their search rankings by 6, which is amazing. And that if someone was to search cryotherapy Colorado Springs, they would be showing up. And the thing is, Rick, a lot of the customers nowadays want a website where they can click on and set an appointment, and that could be done. You can do it on Yelp, but it's more just call. You can call this number, but on your website you could have a number in big bold text. People can reach out to you, and it makes it easier for the customers to trust the website when you have almost like a brand present, right? When you have that, people can trust the website and you build trust with your customers. But we've helped some of our clients in the springs and around just grow, and we've been working with this HGH meds for a long time, and we've definitely gotten them higher up in the searches. So it's very important to get higher in the searches, but this could definitely be the next move for you. But you seem like a very nice guy, and your website seems cool. I just like this. I just like the logo. It looks like it's just something people can go, yeah, that's nice. So, and people do check in as well. So yeah, this is really cool. I like it. But yeah, obviously, like I said, there is work that would be done, and we'd love to help you out with that. But hopefully this helped you out, Rick, and you got a lot out of this. But this is cool. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to do this. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Thank you. Have a nice day.